In this auction we have a straight razor, extra hollow ground, Bengall by R Cadman Sons of Sheffield, England. Because it has England after Sheffield, that puts it sometime after 1890. Unsure of its exact age. Polished buffalo horn scales, lead wedge, traditional lead wedge, and new brass pins. As you can see, it's pinned nice and tight, and for its sharpness, as you can see, it's been rehorned on a, well, the bevel was set on a 4000 grit stone and then finished on a 12,000 grit stone, and then well stropped so it easily passes the hanging hair test all the way down the blade. Very nice razor on auction now. Happy bidding.